from a legal perspective, the UDP is an unincorporated association. And what that means as a matter of law is that the UDP does not have the legal rights that you and I have, or that a registered company, for example, would have, which enables it to have what we call legal personality, allowing it to soar, be sued in its own name and so on. However, notwithstanding that it does not have that legal personality and cannot own things in its own name, what typically happens with unincorporated associations is that they may nevertheless be able to acquire property for their benefit. But when that happens, it is ordinarily done in the name of an office holder in a representative capacity, not with the office holder attaining any personal right, but instead doing so for the benefit of the membership of the association. Now, in this instance, as I understand it, there was a transfer that was done of those premises to the UDP as a body, and I have actually seen a copy of the relevant document from your registrar of titles, the registry of titles, which suggests that those properties are properly owned, at least on the register, so far as the register is concerned, by the UDP. Whether the UDP could have properly owned it or not is immaterial for purposes of what I'm about to say, because what you cannot do is go behind what is recorded on a public document without a process being engaged to change that. In Belize, as we have in Jamaica, you have a torrent system for registration of land, which is title by registration. And the position with that is that whatever appears on a title is taken to be accurate unless you're able to go through a legal process to have that position corrected. So what I have seen suggests beyond the shadow of a doubt that the legitimate owner of the property is the UDP. As to whether there are legal issues with that or not is a different question, but it is not for any individual to seek to go against what is recorded on the title without the process of the court or some other legitimate body overturning what is actually there at the moment.